One of the most common questions people often ask is, how did the solar system form into what we see today? It's a very basic question to have when you think of the origin of human beings and the origin of life in general. We've already spoken about the beginning of the universe in the previous video. Today, our topic is the formation of our celestial neighborhood, so buckle up as we take you on this journey. Our story begins approximately 4.6 billion years ago. In the vast, turbulent cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula, a miraculous event was set in motion. Gravitational forces and shock waves from a nearby supernova explosion triggered the first phase of our solar system's formation. And supernovae are massive explosions resulting from an exploding dying star that's at least 5 times the mass of our Sun. And this is what is known as the nebular hypothesis, which is the most widely accepted model in cosmogony, a field that explains the formation of the solar system. As the solar nebula started collapsing under its own gravity, it began to spin faster and faster, forming a spinning disk with the Sun at its center. The process of accretion began where tiny particles attracted and collided with one another, gradually building up larger and larger objects. Over millions of years, these small particles clumped together to form planetesimals, rocky building blocks ranging from a few centimeters to several kilometers in size.
The planets formed out of building blocks, smaller chunks of material, rock, ice, stuff that came together over time.
Around 4.5 billion years ago, and according to the giant impact hypothesis, a momentous event occurred. A Mars-sized protoplanet called Theia collided with our young Earth, resulting in a disk of debris orbiting Earth similar to Saturn's rings. The particles in that disk also began to collide, resulting in what is known today as the Moon. The newborn Moon eventually settled into orbit around Earth, and our solar system continued to evolve. The planets continued to grow, and as they did, they generated intense heat from the decay of radioactive isotopes within their cores. This process was vital in differentiating them into layers, core, mantle, and crust. As the dust and gas cleared from the inner solar system, the rocky terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars were the first to emerge. Each one possessed unique characteristics shaped by their distance from the Sun and the materials available during their formation. Meanwhile, in the outer reaches of the solar system, giant gas and ice planets were taking shape. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune began to dominate the outer regions, accumulating vast amounts of hydrogen, helium, and other volatile compounds. A pivotal event in our solar system's history occurred around 3.9 billion years ago, the Late Heavy Bombardment. During this period, the inner planets were bombarded by asteroids and comets, leaving their impact craters scattered across their surfaces. As the solar system settled into its current configuration, it was not just the planets that formed remarkable celestial objects. In the icy expanse of the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune, countless icy bodies and dwarf planets were born, including the now famous Pluto. Our solar system's harmony extends beyond the planets and moons. The creation of the Oort cloud, a vast remote region of comets, occurred around 4.6 billion years ago, far beyond the furthest reaches of our solar system.
Most of them got thrown out of the solar system forever, but the ones that didn't go on these big, long, million-year looping orbits, and that's the Oort cloud.
Reflecting on this majestic journey, we gain a deeper appreciation of our place in the cosmos. From the fiery birth of the Sun to the mesmerizing dance of the planets, Each element in our solar system plays a symphony of celestial sounds, creating the harmonious melody known as sounds of heaven. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure through time and space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more captivating explorations of the universe. Until next time, remember, the heavens above hold an orchestra of wonders waiting to be discovered.